Yeah, man, they're just fucking using the helicopter. I think it's off now. You might be able to hear it. Yeah, it might be coming again, but they've been doing a little flyovers and shit. I don't know if you can hear it in the background. You might be able to. I think it's off now, but yeah, they're getting it like to fly over my head and shit and all that kind of shit. Can you hear it? And the distanced it off a bit now. It might be coming again, but you can hear it in the background. Oh no, there it is. See up there? See that? This is the harassment I'm getting from the police. See that, how it's coming overhead, yeah? I have to clear more space, I don't have much. Yeah, this is what you